Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called ShareCash, and we're going to be finding out whether you can earn $500 online daily, and also whether they do give their $25 bonus. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this. You're going to obviously want to know all the details that I'm going to actually go and find out, so that we know whether it is actually worth your while joining ShareCash. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto the sharecash.co website, and it says here, earn $500 daily, earn $500 online. It's the #1 influencer network. Obviously, earn $10 to $15 for every friend you invite. Get a $25 sign up bonus. Now, if you are regulars to my channel here, I need you to obviously stay tuned. And obviously, if you're already members of ShareCash, stay tuned, because I'm going to uncover some bits and pieces about ShareCash that you're going to want to actually know before you go and actually join. Okay, so how can you obviously start making money with social media today? As it says, get a ShareCash account and join the community of people making money online with social media. It says invite friends to the site and share your influencer link. You will earn $10 for every friend you invite who joins the site. And obviously it says cash out your earnings instantly. We pay our influencers through PayPal, Cash App, Vimeo, Bitcoin, mailed checks. Now it's also got, if you scroll down a bit further here, it's got payment proofs. Okay, now I just want you to have a look at some of these payment proofs, and as you can see on this one here, it says the 2nd of August 2019. This one is the 16th of February 2019. Let's see if there's any more. Okay, this one here is the 30th of May 2019. Now, okay, so bear all those in mind, because we're going to obviously go through stuff in this video that is going to be related to that, and I'm going to prove that maybe these payment proofs are not quite what they are added up to be. So let's go a bit further in, and as you can see here, there are loads of videos here with the Cashco review, the sharecash.co review. Okay, so there's loads of these are genuine people, guys, that have taken the testimonial. But again, stay tuned, because we're going to show you why they actually took the testimonial very, very shortly. So it says here a sign up bonus $25. So let's go. Why not? Let's just go and sign up and see what we can find out inside the actual site. Okay, so you need to give your name and a user code. So I'll give my name as Test. So test, and my username can be Test again, and then I'll obviously give the email test@example.com. That's the one it gives you. So let's have a look and see if that goes. Test@example.com. Okay, type in a password. So we'll obviously use this strong password here. Agree to the terms of policy and that, and sign up. Oh, funny enough, the username and the email has already been taken. So let's try a different one there. So we go 08 2022. Boom, we are in. Okay, so I'm not going to obviously renew that. It says please watch this to gain access to ShareCash. The video will automatically close on completion. So I'm going to actually just quickly watch this, stop the video and watch this, so that obviously you don't have to go through. Hang on, I'll tell you exactly how what it actually says. Okay, so I watched the video. It's basically just tells you just go and use ShareCash. It does tell you with the YouTube videos though, and this is what I said when we saw all those testimonials at the beginning. YouTube videos, it says here, it says ShareCash lets you make $500 a day. So YouTube submission $50. So if you subscribe a testimonial to them for their YouTube channel, you will actually it's got to be above. Create a 1 minute or more video talking about ShareCash, how it works, how you've made how much you've made and why you love it. Upon finish, upload it to YouTube and use the title and description provided below as possible. So these are all the tags that you can use. This is what you have to actually say in the video description with a link, and obviously that says that's got my link in there, which obviously I don't want to be showing my link at the moment. So it basically tells you everything you need to know, and obviously you put your link in there once you've done it and submit it, and you'll get $50 for doing that. Wow. Okay, so basically they are paying you to give them a good review, guys, on YouTube. So that's how it works. So only if they're giving you the $25 to join, and I've actually earned that, so it's there. Okay, they're also going to give you obviously $50 to do a YouTube video, but as long as you do it how they want it done. So Facebook videos are exactly the same. They'll give you $50 to do a Facebook video as well, and again you just literally post the content there, and also obviously post your link once it's done, and they'll give you $50. Now what they're not saying is where this $50 is going to come from, because at the end of the day they've just given me $125 for creating a couple of different videos if I wanted to do that. It also says here you've obviously got a $30 task wall. So it says here you can earn $30. You just register and confirm and start your free trial of MGM, okay, which is Prime Video. So that is just a task that you can actually go and do, and you'll earn $30. Okay, now again, that is really, really high, guys. Now I know there are some survey sites and offer walls and sites that I've actually done videos of, but they're not going to pay you $30 to actually go and register for a free trial. Okay, so $30 is an awful lot of money. So some of these things here are just not quite adding up. Okay, so just be wary of that. Okay, it also says here refer and earn. It says here you can share your referral link with friends, earn $2 for every friend who clicks on your link, and $10 for every friend that signs up. So even if they don't actually sign up, I could earn $2. Now I could put this link below this video here, and I'll get probably 1,000 people to click this. So I could earn $2,000 just if no one even signed up. So again, where is that money coming from? Because these people haven't even signed up, so they haven't bought anything, they haven't had to register anything, they haven't even clicked on any ads, so they can't get any ad revenue from them. This is just looking as if it's the same as the normal ones, guys, and I've done videos on sites like this before. It just doesn't add up. So before we go and do any more on inside the site and how we're going to cash out, etc., let's just quickly do a little bit of background stuff. Now remember we saw the payment proofs at the beginning, which were all the beginning part of 2019, okay, which was 2 or 3 years ago. So it's 2 or 3 years old, this site. So let's go over to a site called who.is, okay. Now it says here the site was actually registered in 2019, which adds up, but it's November 2019. So when they showed you these payment proofs, and you can go to the payment proofs again here, so it says here payment proofs, remember 2019, at the end of 2019 they were actually registered. Now we had some payment proofs here on the front page that were saying early February. Now this one here, 30th of May 2019, before the site was registered. What's this one here? 16th of February 2019, before it was registered. 2nd of August 2019, before it was registered. Now, so guys, this is basically fake, obviously, payment proofs. They're obviously the testimonials that are on the site are genuine testimonials, but they basically paid people for what to say so that they can actually earn $50. Okay, so they haven't actually earned that money, they've just done a testimonial to get that money. So again, these are probably you could say they were fake, and they were certainly manipulated testimonials as well. So let's quickly click on the About page. Now it says here the story of ShareCash, okay? So it says here 2015. It says here the beginning was 2015. Well, that's 4 years before the site was registered, okay? So it says the uprising, forthcoming connections, the awards start rolling in. Well, that was before the site was even launched, so they obviously haven't got any rewards there. And nothing after 2018. So, again, that's fake. It's got to be fake. Sorry about that, but it's just the way it is. And it says they've been going for just under 10 years. No, they haven't. They've been going since 2019. Okay, so that is not 10 years. So let's go back to my dashboard. So if we obviously get a load of earnings here, how much earnings do we need to do before we can actually get payments out? Okay, so let's check out cash out. So if we check out cash out, and it says here clicks 0%, referrals 0%, tasks 0%, total 0%. So I then have to have at least $500 in my balance, okay, before I'll be able to pay out via PayPal. And what I'll also have to do, I'll have to get a certain amount of clicks, a certain amount of referrals, certain amount of tasks I'll have to do to get my total percentage up to 100%, so that I can actually then get this payout. Guys, all they're doing is getting you to refer more people. They want people to click on the link. They want more referrals because they want you to come and take the task. They probably get paid for some of these tasks, but they're not going to pay out you $30 for each task. That is a definite no-no. And also remember, you are entering your details. So obviously I knew I wasn't going to be using this site because I could, at an inkling, knew that it was probably going to be a fake site. So I put in fake details and it accepted me, no problem whatsoever. So you don't have to verify your account. You don't have to verify who you are, like you do on a lot of the legit sites that are out there that you can actually earn money, but you're not going to earn $30 for each task. You're not going to earn $50 for just posting a YouTube video review. These things are just there to manipulate you to get more people and share your link to get more people to sign up. And that's how they grow. And then they actually probably sell your data to other companies. And then that's how they make money. Okay. So definitely, like I say, stay well clear of ShareCash. And if you have joined it, obviously let us know how you've got on. Have you got paid out? Are you just about to get paid out? Let us know in the comments below. I can probably assure you that not a lot of people or any people have been paid out here, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for me. Don't forget to watch this video next if you're interested in obviously creating your own business online. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.